Hey everyone! Today I'm showing you the two easiest ways to find your solar panel wattage. Whether you're just reading a label or getting hands-on with a multimeter, let's get your system dialed in. Step 1. Read the spec label. The fastest way is to look at the nameplate or specification sticker on the back of the panel. Look for Pmax. This is the maximum power in watts. You will also see VMP, voltage at max power, and IMP, or current at max power. This number is measured in a perfect lab. In the real world, you'll usually get about 80% of this rating due to heat and atmosphere. Step 2. The wattage formula. If the Pmax isn't listed or the label is damaged, you can calculate it yourself using a simple formula: watts equal volts times amps. You can take the VMP and multiply it by the IMP. For example, if your panel is rated at 18 volts and 5.5 amps, that's roughly a 100-watt panel. It's a basic math that saves you a lot of guesswork. 3. Testing with a multimeter. If you want to see what it's doing right now, grab a multimeter. You can set it to DC volts and touch the probes to the panel leads that get your open circuit voltage, or VOC. Then switch to DC amps. Make sure your meter can handle the current to measure the short circuit current. Pro tip: do this in direct midday sun for the most accurate reading. If your live numbers are close to the label specs, your panel is healthy. 4. Account for real-world losses. Remember that standard test conditions are not real life. Heat actually makes solar panels less efficient. If your 400-watt panel is only showing 320 on a hot afternoon, don't panic. Between the sun's angle, dust, and temperature, a 15 to 20% drop is completely normal. And that's pretty much it. Now you know exactly how much power you're working with, and I hope this helped you out, and I'll see you in the next one.